Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 7 of chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. And we are going to complete the left out questions from 13.7 exercise. Fourth question तक हम लोग कर चुके हैं. Okay. So fifth question देखो. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter and it is 12 meter deep. What is its capacity in kiloliters? Okay, so the diameter is given. This is the rough figure. This is not mandatory. Okay, the diameter of pit is 3.5 meter. How will you write 3.5 in terms of fraction?
35 by 100.
No. 7 by 2.
6 by 2.
7 by 2. Right? Diameter is 7 by 2. So what will be the radius?
7 by 4.
Right, very good. 7 by 4. So I'm going to take radius as 7 by 4. Okay, not 1.75. Okay, so now the depth of the pit is also given 12 meter. So h is equals to 12 meter. Now what is the capacity of the pit? Formula.
1 by 3 pi r square h.
Very good. 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now we'll substitute the value of pi 22 by 7, r 7 by 4 and h is 12. Okay, now we'll try to simplify. ध्यान से देखो, 7 is cancel and 3 into 4 is 12. So we can cancel 1 12 with 3 and 4. So we'll have only 22 into 7 by 4. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Again, you can simplify this one, 11 and 2. So finally we'll get 77 by 2 meter cube. And 77 by 2 is 38.5. So 38.5 meter cube. Now what 1 meter cube is equals to how many liter?
1000 liters.
1000 liter. But we have to write the answer in kiloliters. So 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter. Okay. So the answer is 38.5 kiloliter. Why? Because 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter and that can be written as 1 kiloliter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move to question number 6. The volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. This is cube, okay? If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find the height of the cone. First we have to find, then slant height of the cone. After that we have to find curved surface area of the cone. So we'll find one by one. So let us start with the given. What is given? That volume of the right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. And what is the diameter given? 28. So radius कितना हो जाएगा? What will be the radius?
28 by 2.
14. Okay, 14 centimeter. So height we have to find. So let the height be h. And what is the formula of volume of cone?
1 by 3 pi r square h.
Right, 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Very good. So now this is equals to 9856. Now we'll substitute the value of pi and r. ठीक है? Now this 14 can be cancelled by 7. So we'll get 2. So 1 upon 3, 22 into 2 into 14 into h is equals to 9856. So what we will do, we will shift all this to this side. Okay, so 3 ऊपर multiply हो जाएगा और बाकी ये तीनों नीचे आ जाएंगे. All will come down. So we'll get this step. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay, right. So now if you simplify 9856 divided by 22, if you divide it you will get 448. Okay, and further if you divide it by 28 you will get 16. So ये पूरा cancel करोगे तो 16 मिलेगा and the final answer is 48 centimeter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
And second we have to find slant height. And for slant height what formula we have to use?
Root over r square plus h square.
Okay, fine, very good. So let the slant height of the cone be L So we know that L square is equals to R square plus H square. So we'll substitute the value of R and H here. That is 14, 48. 14 square is 196 and 48 square is 2304. Now add these two, we'll get 2500. So what is the square root of 2500?
50.
Right, very good, 50. So this is the second answer. Okay, so we completed first and second. And now curved surface area of the cone. What is the formula of curved surface area of the cone?
Pi R L.
Pi r L. Right, very good. So 22 upon 7 into 14 into 50. So this 14 is cancelled by 7 and we'll get 2. 100 into 22. So 2200 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now a right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solids to obtain. So अभी देख लो, अगर मैं एक राइट ट्राइंगल को रिवॉल्व करता हूँ यहाँ से, तो जब फास्ट रिवॉल्व करेंगे तो व्हाट वी विल गेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कोन. फास्ट रिवॉल्व करेंगे इस साइड से. कैन यू इमेजिन दिस वन?
Yes, sir.
ओके, और ये हाइट होगा, दिस विल बी द हाइट एंड दिस विल बी द रेडियस. See this figure. This will be the height of the cone and this will be the radius and this will be the slant height. So this can be revolved around 5 this BC also. उस केस में क्या मिलेगा? Something figure you will get like this. This is BC. Okay, so you will get cone. In that case also you will get cone, but the height will be, this is 5, okay, and this is 12. In this case the height will be 5 and the radius will be 12. Whether this is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so this is the case when we revolved around 12 centimeter side, and this is the case when we revolved around 5. So it can be revolved around hypotenuse also. Hypotenuse में जब revolve करेंगे तो थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो. This is right triangle. So in this case what we are going to get? We are going to get double cone. ऊपर भी और नीचे भी. So this question is in actually 10th class, double cone. So in 9th class only you have to find the volume of the cone when we revolved around 12 centimeter and when we revolved around 5 centimeter. This question is when we revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Okay, fine. So what is the height of this cone?
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter. And what is the
12
radius?
centimeter.
What is the radius?
5 centimeter.
5
5
centimeter.
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Okay, so radius is 5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter, and we have to find the volume. What is the formula of volume?
1 by 3 pi R square.
Very good. 1
pi r
upon
square
3
h.
pi r square h. Now we will write the answer in pi only because the answer is given in pi in textbook. Okay, so we'll substitute the value of r and h only. So this 12 can be cancelled with 3 and we are getting 4. So 5 into 5 into 4 is 100. So final answer is 100 pi centimeter cube. So this answer is given in the book. Okay, so you can substitute the value of pi 22 by 7 if it is not given. Otherwise, if it is given 3.14, you have to substitute 3.14. Whether this answer is cleared, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next question is based on when we revolve about the side 5 centimeter. Same question. This is the continuation of question number 7. Okay. This is the continuation of question number 7, and When we revolved about 5 centimeter, we are getting again cone, but in this case the height is 5 centimeter and the radius is 12 centimeter. Okay, height is 5 centimeter and the radius is 12 centimeter. Radius is 12 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. We are taking capital R and capital H. So what is the volume here? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now we'll substitute the value of r and h here. So, and we'll write in terms of pi only. So here also 112 is cancelled with 3. So we are getting 4. So 4 into 5 into 12. 20. Okay, 4 into 5 is 20. 20 into 12 is 240. So we are getting 240 pi centimeter cube. Now what we have to find? Next part. What we have to find?
Ratio between them.
Right. Ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in question number 7 and question number 8. So now volume of cone in question number 7 is 100 pi and question number 8 is 240. So here pi cancel and 1 0 also you can cancel. And what is the final answer?
5:12.
Very good. 5 upon 12. Hence the required ratio is 5:12. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards question number 9. A heap of wheat is in the form of cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. Find its volume. This is the first part. Now the heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas. Okay. अभी ध्यान से देखो, अगर मान लो यहाँ पे ये heap है, okay, and when we cover it by canvas, this part is not required, okay, because this is the ground part. इसी के ऊपर पूरा wheat है ना, so this part is not required. So for canvas, what you have to find?
Curved surface.
Very good. Only curved surface area we have to find. Okay. Right. So let us start with the first volume. So let the radius be r and the diameter is given 10.5. So how will you write 10.5 in terms of fraction?
21 by 2.
Very good. 21 by 2. So what will be the radius?
21 by 4.
Good. 21 by 4. And height is given 3 meter. Now what is the formula of volume?
1/3 pi r square.
1/3
Right.
pi r.
1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now we'll substitute all the values. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 21 by 4 and h is 3. So यहाँ पे एक 21 हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 3 into 7 21 होता है. And this also we can cancel by 2. Right. So 11 into 21 into 3 upon 2 into 4. This will be left. And if you multiply this, 63 into 11 is 693 upon 8. If you divide, you will get 86.625 meter cube. So this is the volume of the wheat, conical wheat. Any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
Now we have to find the area of canvas required to protect it from rain. So for that we required L, slant height. So let the slant height be L. Now we know that the formula of slant height is L square is equals to R square plus H square. Now R is 21 by 4 and H is 3. So 21 by 4 whole square plus 3 square. What is 21 square? 441 upon 16 plus 9. Now take LCM. 16 into 9 is 144. So 441 plus 144 upon 16. So if you add these two, you'll get 585 upon 16. ठीक है? So 585 upon 16, you will get 36.5625. And the square root is approximately equals to 6.05. Okay, so you should not use calculator. You have to find by using division method. So we are getting approximately 6.05 meter. Now let us move towards the canvas, area of canvas required. And just now we discussed that is equals to curved surface area of cone. What is the formula of curved surface area of cone?
Pi RL.
Right, pi r l. Now substitute the value of pi, r and l. So ये cancel होगा 3 and this also we can cancel it 11 and 2. Okay, so 11 into 3 into 6.05 upon 2. So 33 into 6.05 upon 2. So we are getting 99.825 meter square. So hence 99.825 meter square of canvas is needed. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the last question of that exercise. Now we are moving towards the next topic, sphere and hemisphere. So let us recapitulate the formula. Sphere. What is the curved surface area of sphere?
4 pi r square.
Right, very good. 4 pi r square. Curved surface और total surface area दोनों same होता है sphere में. Okay, and what is the volume of sphere?
4 by 3
4
pi
pi
r cube.
Right, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So these are two formulas for sphere. Now let us recapitulate the formula of hemisphere. Hemisphere. What is the curved surface area of hemisphere?
2 pi r.
Very good. And what is the total surface area?
3 pi r
3
square.
Good, 3 pi r square. And what is the volume?
2 by 3 pi r
by
cube.
3 pi r cube.
Right, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Very good. Okay, now we are going to start the exercise 13.8, which is completely based on sphere and hemisphere. Okay, volume. So first question, find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. So this is the direct question. Radius is given and we require radius only to find the volume of sphere. So let us start with the first bit. Radius is given 7 meter. What is the formula for volume of sphere?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
Right, very good. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we are going to substitute the values. So 1, 7 is cancelled and बाकी कोई cancel नहीं हो रहा है. So what we will do? We will multiply 4 into 12 into 7 into 7. So we will get 4,312. Right, by 3. Okay, and answer is given in mixed fraction only. So we have to divide it by 3. So we'll get 4,000. क्योंकि अगर डायरेक्ट इसमें डिवाइड करोगे तो तुम लोग को डेसिमल में मिलेगा, बट आंसर में फ्रैक्शन में मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में दिया हुआ है. सो 1437.33 इफ यू राइट इन डेसिमल, otherwise in mixed fraction this is the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, second bit the radius is given 0.63 meter. So 0.63 we can write 63 upon 100, or otherwise when we substitute then we can convert. यहाँ पे substitute करने के बाद convert कर सकते हो या पहले से convert कर दो. That is up to you. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. 3 into 7 is 21 and 21 3s are 63. So ऐसे कट किया हूँ मैं. So what we are going to get? 88 into 3 by 100 into 63 by 100 into 63 by 100. Now if you multiply all this and divide it by 6 zeros है यहाँ पर, ठीक है, 10 lakhs, then you will get 1.047816 meter cube, and approximately the answer is given 1.05 meter cube. Okay, any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now the next question, find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter. Amount of water displaced. I will explain what is the meaning of this one. Suppose एक container है, एक cylindrical container है, full water is there. If I will put one spherical ball, what will happen? Water will come out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पूरा भरा है ना, फुल भरा हुआ, उसमें कुछ भी डालोगे तो क्या होगा? पानी बाहर आएगा. Water will come out. How much water will come out? How much water will come out?
Sir, water as much as the volume of the ball.
Very good. जितना volume हम लोग उसमें डाल रहे हैं, okay? How much we are putting the volume in that, inserting the volume in that container, that much water will come out. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So we'll start with the first one. Diameter is given 28 centimeters. So what will be the radius?
14.
14. Very good. Okay. Now the water displaced will be equal to the volume of the ball. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the volume of ball. Ball is in the shape of sphere. So what is the volume of ball?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
Very
By
good. 4
pi r
upon 3
cube.
pi r cube. Now we'll substitute the value of pi and r. Okay. So ये cancel होगा. बाकी कुछ भी cancel नहीं हो रहा है. So 4 into 22 into 2 into 14 into 14. So we'll get 34,400 and 1 minute. 88 into 196 into 2. 34,496 by 3. Okay, again mixed fraction में आएगा आंसर 11498 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Any doubt? Or 0.67 approximately. So this is the first bit. Second bit. What is the radius given? Diameter. Diameter given 0.21. So radius will be 0.21 by 2. Now remove this decimal. How you can write? 21 by 200?
200.
21 by 200?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, right. So this is this we will take. So now we already discussed that volume of water displaced will be equals to the volume of spherical ball. So this is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we'll substitute all the values pi r in here. Okay, so 121 we can cancel with this 21. 3 into 7 21 होता है. Okay, और कुछ cancel कर सकते हैं इसमें. C 2 एक मिनट इसको 100 कर लेते हैं. हम लोग सबको 100 कर लेते हैं तो ज़्यादा इजी रहेगा. एक 2 कैंसिल करो यहाँ पर 100 और इसको कैंसिल करो 11 और 100. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर में पूरा 100 रहेगा तो दैट विल बी वेरी इजी इफ यू मल्टीप्लाइड ऑल दिस numerator numbers 11 into 21 into 21. So 21 into 21 is 441. So we are getting this step. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 441 into 11 होता है 4,851. And the denominator, in denominator how many zeros are there? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 0 और लगा दो. So we'll get this answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now question number 3. The diameter of the metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube? This is cube, okay? Right. So diameter is given 4.2 centimeters. So what will be the radius?
2.1 centimeters.
Very good. 2.1 centimeter. Now what is the volume of metal? Volume of metallic ball. It is
4 by 3 pi r cube.
right, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we'll substitute all the values. Pi is 22 by 7 and r is 2.1. Or we can write 21 by 10 here only. ठीक है, यहाँ नहीं तो यहाँ भी replace कर रहे हैं इसको. Decimal हटा रहे हैं. So how we can write if you remove the decimal? 21 by 10.
10.
और ये हो जाएगा 88 by 21. So 121 we can cancel. Now we have to find 21 into 21 into 88. 441 into 88. So we are getting 38,808 by 1000. So this is the answer. Volume. and density of metal is given 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So the mass of, that means mass of 1 centimeter cube is 8.9 gram. So what will be the mass of this volume? Multiply. Okay, if you multiply, you will get 345.3912. Approximately the answer is given 345.39 gram. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the question number 3. Now we are moving towards question number 4. This question we did in exercise 4, okay, 13.4. वहाँ पे हम लोग रेशियो निकाले थे surface area of earth and volume. Now here we are going to find the volume of earth and volume of moon. Okay, so let us start with the diameter. Diameter of earth we are going to take x. So what will be the radius?
X by 2.
X by 2, and we are going to take capital R. Okay, now the same earth is considered to be in the form of sphere. So volume of earth will be equals to
4 by 3 pi r cube.
very good, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we'll substitute the value of r here, x by 2. Okay, so एक 4 हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. Okay, so 4 यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग. अदरवाइज व्हाट यू कैन डू, वेट, 4 कैंसिल मत करो, ये पूरा 8 हो जाएगा. देखो, so we'll take 1 by 8 outside. 1 by 8, 4 upon 3 pi x cube. Let it be equation number 1. Okay, because this will help us when we'll take the fraction. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the diameter of moon is given 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, and diameter of earth is x, so diameter of moon will be x by 4. So what will be the radius of moon?
X by 8.
X by 8, right. Small r ले रहे हैं इसके लिए. So moon is also in the form of sphere, so volume of moon will be
4 by 3 pi r cube.
right, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So now substitute the value of r here, right. So 8 into 8 into 8, 512 होता है, उसको बाहर निकाल लेंगे. ओके, एक 8 और निकाल लो इसमें से, एक 8 इसके साथ में अटैच करो ऐसे. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this is nothing but this is the volume of earth. So that means volume of moon is 1 upon 64 into volume of earth. So therefore इसमें fraction पूछा है actual में. Therefore volume of moon is 1 by 64th the volume of earth. This is the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards the next question, question number 5. इसके बाद एक question और करेंगे. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? How many liters of milk means we need to find the volume. So diameter is given 10.5 centimeter. So this is the rough figure, not mandatory. So how will you write 10.5 centimeter in fraction?
21
by 2. Very good. So what will be the radius then?
21 by 4.
Very good. 21 by 4. Now the volume of milk in hemispherical bowl is equals to volume of hemisphere. And what is the volume of hemisphere?
2 by 3 pi r.
Right, very good. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now we'll substitute the value of r and pi. So एक 21 हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर, देखो ध्यान से. And this 2 also we can cancel. और ये भी इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So what we are getting 11 into 25 by 4, 21 by 4 into 21 by 4. Okay, and we'll get approximately 0.187. Again, this is in centimeter cube, but we have to write the answer in liter. So we have to, how will you convert?
By 1000.
By 1000. Very good. Why? Because 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay. So यहाँ पर आंसर आ रहा है 0.303187 लीटर. So approximately it is equals to 0.303 liter. Okay. So now we are moving toward the last question of today's session. This is the last question. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. So this is thick 1 centimeter. Okay. If the inner radius is 1 meter, 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. तो ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन हम लोग ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में. So how will you find volume of outer hemisphere minus volume of inner hemisphere? Okay, so let us start with the radius of hemispherical in inner radius. I mean to say 1 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. And what will be the outer radius? यहाँ से यहाँ तक.
Sir, 101.
Right. 100 plus 1. That is 101 centimeter. Now, just now I told you that volume of iron used is equals to volume of outer hemisphere minus volume of inner hemisphere. So, what is the outer hemisphere formula? Volume of outer hemisphere 2 by 3 pi capital R cube. And volume of inner hemisphere 2 by 3 pi small r cube. Now, what we can take common from these two?
2 by 3 pi and r.
2 by 3 pi only. Okay, now substitute the value. 2 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 101 cube minus 100 cube. So, एक formula तुम लोग पढ़े हो a cube minus b cube. What is the formula? Not in fraction, not in factors, without factor. I am writing here a minus b whole cube. ध्यान से देखो a minus b whole cube plus three xy into a minus b. Okay. So we'll apply this formula or otherwise cube लेके minus करो दोनों का. Okay, so ये cube है यहाँ पर. So 101 minus 100 cube, this is equals to 1, and 3 into 101 into 100 into 101 minus 100. If you apply this formula, हाँ x y नहीं है, sorry ये a b है. Actually formula हम लोग x y के form में लिखे थे. This is a b. Right. So this is also will become 1. So ध्यान से देखो ये हो जाएगा 303 into 100 30,300 plus 1. Calculation is clear?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise what you have to do, दोनों का cube निकाल के minus करो, then also you will get the same answer. Okay, so 44 into 30,301 divided by 21. So approximately we are getting 63,487.81 centimeter cube. Okay, if you want to convert in meter cube, because the answer is given in meter cube, we have to divide it by 300s. So देखो ध्यान से दो डेसिमल प्लेस शिफ्ट होगा 1 2, यहाँ पे एक ही है तो 0 लग जाएगा. So यहाँ पर आएगा पॉइंट. So final answer is 0.6348 approx meter cube. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward the last section, assignment questions. This question is based on cone. Okay. In the next session, that will be the last session of this chapter. In that I will give assignment questions based on sphere and hemisphere. Okay, please take the screenshot. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.